Thank you, thank you, thank you for this world, dear God. Earth and sky all sing out loud, grateful to be part of life. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this world, dear God. We're all your children. Joyfully we sing this song. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this world, dear God. We'll sing the hymn in Russian, and we'll conclude with everyone joining in the singing of this chorus 3 times in English.
Slava
just recently did this adaptation for our children who are learning this hymn. And thank you to all of you. So even for our congregation, this is the first time they sang this together in English. So see, we're all learning. But we wanted everyone to participate, so to end on this final note. So we sincerely wish to thank all of you, brothers and sisters, for gathering to collectively praise God, our Creator, and to pray for our Mother Earth and for healing our precious planet. A special acknowledgement and heartfelt thank you goes out to all of our guests from near and far for participating together with us and for making this prayer meeting that much more uplifting and powerful. Thank you all so much. In keeping with Doukhobor tradition, it is customary to part with the formal farewells at the end of a meeting. Prощайте.
Добрый час, поклон передавайте домашним.
Спаси Господи, также вы свои. I would now like to call on Nadine Pudvarev, a key organizer of today's event, to inform us on the proceedings for the rest of the day. Пожалуйста, Надя.
So much, Ernie. Thank you. And thank you, everyone, for coming. Thank you. And thank you for your prayers for Mother Earth. And all sentient beings. Thank you. I just have a few announcements. Basically, it's, I think, about 11 o'clock right now. Yes. So we're going to have a 20-minute break at this point, and at 11